Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Siteground account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up an email for one of your websites, Siteground? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up an email for your website in Siteground anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're sending out emails through Gmail, sometimes it can be a little cheesy, so you want to have an actual email connected to your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Siteground dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Siteground and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create an email address for one of your websites, on this top menu, click on websites. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see a list of websites that you have with Siteground. You can see I have 11 here. And in order to add an email to one of these, here on the right side, you're going to click on Site Tools. So for example, this website, okay, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options. However, here on the left side, you're going to click on email. It looks like a little envelope. Once you do that, you'll see another drop-down menu and you want to click here on accounts. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the email accounts you have for that particular domain. And in order to set up an email address, right here in the middle, click on account name. And then you want to go ahead and type in the account name. You can see this is going to be the URL afterwards. So let's just say maybe we're going to do this YouTube at the URL. Here we can go ahead and create a password, or you can have Siteground generate one right here. Okay, so once the password has been generated, here on the left, you're going to click on create. Okay, once you do that, a quick second later, the page refreshes. So now you can see the email has now been created for this user. Now, in order to check the email, usually I use Thunderbird. So you would just sign in using your email and then the password that was generated. Sometimes you will need this information right here. So the incoming server, outgoing server. Also, another way you can check the email is by logging into your dashboard like we just did. And then right here on the email, off to the right, you're going to see these three dots. Once you click on there, you can click on log into webmail. Okay, when you click there, it's going to bring you to your inbox for your new email address that you created in Siteground. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an email using your Siteground account for one of your domains, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.